Hello and welcome back to the session number 4. If you are following the video, so today we are going to get soft tools for our online affiliate marketing 25 days challenge. So what we have spoken? We have spoken to get a landing page. We're going to get a tracking tool. We're going to get a autoresponder and of course the hub. Okay, so why is this required? See, if you're doing physical work also, you need a tool. If you want to have food, your hand is a tool. If you're doing construction of house, the uh, uh, the hammer, the mud which they carry, this all are the tools. Similarly, when you're doing an online business, you need some tools which can help you to reach the message to the people. That is autoresponder, that is the emails where you communicate with the people, and the landing page where you get a lead of the people and they become a database of you, so you can continuously contact with them through your email autoresponder. The tracking link is the link where you can get an analysis of which customer is engaging with you, which customer is opening your mail, which customer is watching your video until what time. So you can see this analysis and can do a whole business analysis according to that tracking link, and you can fix it accordingly time to time, whether this is right or this is wrong. You will get a whole data where the customer is engaging with you, what product they are liking, and what is the feedback they are giving you. So it is very necessary to have this four tool. And the last one I forgot to mention is the hub. So let me display again, write it here. The first is, sorry, this called be landing page. So you need to have a landing page. Second is the, you need to have a autoresponder, that is email marketing. Autoresponder. The third is the tracking link. And the fourth is the hub. I've written home on internet. So this all three things, like landing page, the autoresponder, and the tracking links, you can all work out or integrate on your hub. Hub is nothing but a website. See, most important, you should have a home on the internet, that is a hub. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Whether you're selling one product or 100 products, whether you're selling your own product or others' product, whatever business you're doing, especially online business, you should have a website of your own, whether in your name or of any of your company brand name, whichever you like. Building a brand is very important. As I said, if you're depending on a social media like Facebook, Instagram, like many other platforms, you never know when they will ban your ID or account, or they will take out your video, because you don't have a control. But this hub and the website of your own gives the control of your own, because you own it and you integrate however you want. You can communicate however you want. But on a Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and anywhere, any other the platforms where you are dependent on them, they can ban you and they can charge you accordingly, however they want. So better when you're building yourself, first build a website. Now I can help you on building a website. If you go to my website, I'll just share my screen. So this is my website. So if you go down, see, this is my brand. I have put a video. As soon as somebody lands, I have created a video. What is this website all about and how I can help them? I have given all the products which is helpful. I have given my introduction. I have given all the other useful resources which can help them. So it is very necessary to have first your hub. Now I can build you for you this website. I have built my website on my own. What I recommend is you go to my website, that is manishschool.com, that is manishschool.com, and just go to entrepreneur resources. Once you go to entrepreneur resources, you will find here create your web presence in your time. So this is a domain. To create a website, you need a domain, you need a hosting. Okay. So I have given all the resources. Just buy your domain, whatever you want, buy your hosting, then come to the autoresponder. So I've given you two options of autoresponders. That is this one, that is here, GetResponse and the Aweber. Both are the autoresponders for your email marketing. Now, about landing page. Landing page is the best option currently is the Aweber, which is there on my entrepreneur resources, as I said. So if you take a Aweber, I think there is a 30 days trial for this Aweber. Just see it, just experience it, and once you like it, you can go and buy it. You will get a landing page and you will get a autoresponder in the Aweber. Come to here, ClickMagick. If you come to ClickMagick, you will find a tracking link. So buying at ClickMagick, again, there is a 14 days trial. This can track your link wherever you're sharing, whether you're sharing on a Facebook, whether you're sharing on Instagram, how many people have clicked. You can collect the data from them. If you're putting a video and putting a tracking link on a video, I can see you can measure how many times people have watched. Similarly, if this video I'm sharing with you, I can measure on which time, till what time people have engaged, what was the good points. So I will get analytics about my video. So next time when I make a video, I'll be understanding, okay, this is my content was good or this was bad. So I will try to make it good. And this is what audience is liking from me. So that's very important to have a tracking link. Go and get it. There are many resources, other products, which is I have given a free login. You can just go and check, have a check. And as I said, having a hub is very, very important when you're doing an online business. Please write feedback on this video. And if you want to build your hub on the internet, I can help you. I can build you for myself. If you go to my services page, I have given what and all I can help you for this. Thank you so much. And I will like to have your comment on this fourth session of Affiliate Marketing 25 Days Challenge. Thank you so much.